Hello. Something like 5 years ago, I decided to create a tasty and healthier breakfast. As you can see, it begins with quinoa that I cook the day before. I prepare enough of it for 4 days because it doesn't last longer in my fridge. The complete recipe can be prepared the day before as well and put in the fridge, ready to eat in the morning if you don't have much time to prepare it. I believe it contains what an active person needs to begin the day, and it's as good as a dessert. Completely optional, but today I will have a glass of kombucha. Let's throw in that bowl a handful of nuts, walnuts, Brazil nuts, whatever nuts you like, then some cinnamon, and this is 100% cocoa powder. Now the quinoa, time to add a banana that you can cut the way you want if my method is scary for you. I find that kiwi fruit goes well with chocolate, but you can basically add any fruit that you like. Three dates, a tablespoon of honey and almond milk. This is the way to mix it if you don't want the cocoa powder to brazenly float on top of the almond milk. Now you can add some hot pepper if you want, but I'm not going to. The recipe is now complete. I'll prepare some coffee to make a nice contrast with the chocolate. And there you have it, a breakfast for makers or active persons. Hope you like it.